Thank you, Ma'am V. Next, Kandihay Municipal High School. Ha? Kinsa man? Uy, ginawa. Ali, Sir B, ali. Mag-just go. Sir B. Via na lang, wait. Ano yung likod? Arrange yourselves, please, for them to hide and sa mga hat. Balance ang puro laki. Then, get ready. Kandihay National High School, then Kumtum. Sige, ready? Somebody please take picture. Ma'am Shi, please ma'am. Post lang sa, ihatag lang sa screen. Okay na? Okay, thank you. Next, Kumtum, Kandihay National High School. Please, Ma'am Shi, ikaw sa take picture. Double time, please. Kandihay National High School. Then get ready, Kumtum National High School. So please arrange yourselves according to height. Height. Kaya mag-balance na lang sa picture.
Day. Wapakasod.
Get ready, Kumtum National High School. Sige, ready. Wait, saligtan ni Ma'am Sheila. Anayin yung camera. Anayin niyo. Sige, Ma'am She. Thank you, Ma'am She. Oh, sir. Si Ma'am. Kuhan, may tunga. Ikaw may tunga, Ma'am. Okay, lahi mag-t-shirt. T-shirt man ka, Ma'am. Aron mabalance. Okay.
Grade 7 na sila. Ma'am, kailangan. Hindi sa kong gibidjuan.
Thank you.
Gidaot pa gidait lan ko
Kumtum
ba?
National High School.
Gidait lan ako ba?
Kita na itong mga buho.
So again, sa tanan ninyong outputs, just see and look for your class managers. Okay na yung
Sa may
makaliwa
class
sa
managers na
checklist.
to. Si Ma'am Jenny. Okay, problema.
Kasi beto plus manager ako.
Ma'am Jenny.
So, Kumtum, get ready, La Union. Best in uniform, La Union National High School. Yeah, take note na matchy-matchy sa ilang motherhood. Kisay mo take sa picture, please. Kumtum, kisay take picture. Ma'am She, please, Ma'am She. Thank you. Thank you. Next, La Union National High School. La Union National High School. So we have La Union National High School. Sige. Ikaw picture, Sir B. Mami, ano sa likod, Mami? Ang cellphone, handbook na, oh. Okay. Okay, thank you. The last but not the least, we have Tabungan National High School.
Huwag mo kumunod, day.
Ready? Inside mo tayo sa picture, please. From Nangunan.
Ma'am, hello. Nganas ko rin, nganas ako. Asa man ito? Ato ko.
Alin na Nangunan? Obvious tayo! Sige. Sir V, makuha rin ang ulo.
Okay. Maigot yun.
Ang t-shirt mo, balance. Dumaduha. Oh, isa lalaki. Isa lalaki.
Ato kapita.
Na. Okay. Ayan, height ng tagatambungan.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3, smile. Waki, 1, 2, 3.
Thank you. Okay.